Unfortunately, I come to help them pick up this one and find something I want. So let me ask you a question.